Tips and tricks on how to cook the perfect duck, restaurant edition. So once you got the duck pretty much butchered, you're gonna make incisions on its skin. This has been drying already for 2 days. So this is pretty much 2 steps already. You butchered it, you're gonna make slices, and it's gonna go into the walk-in at least minimum 10 days, okay? You're not gonna add anything to it, nothing, just let it dry. Okay, so it's been about 11 days actually for the duck breasts. We are now going to sear it, right? So after it has cooled down, has rested, it has pulled out the moisture, we made incisions. So it will give like it will release all the fat naturally. We're gonna sear it now. Okay, a lot of people say we're gonna start with a cold pan. Very true. So while that's going right now, we'll take our breasts. Let's get it rendered. Now the point is to do this like 3 or 4 times to get all the fat out. And then after that, we're just gonna stick it into the oven. Okay, that's the first thing of fat. We're just gonna throw it in there. There's the fat. And it's important to note, we're not cooking this all the way. We're just gonna get the color and the sear on the skin, okay? So after about 3 times, then we're gonna let it rest fully, let it come to room temp, and then we're just gonna fire it into the oven. Okay, so that's about the 3rd and final. Let's take it out and rest. Check it out. Beautiful. Okay, so we are about an hour away from the event. So what I'm gonna do now, the ovens is on. It's at 425. We are gonna throw this in for about 7 to 8 minutes. We want it to temp at 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That way when it rests for like 20 minutes, it will go up to about 120, 125, and it'll be perfect to cut and to serve right there. Okay, so here we go. There, got timer there. Okay, timer went off. It's been about 8 minutes, and right there is what we want. Just at 100. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, so you're probably wondering what's next after this. Well, in about 15 to 20 minutes, this will come up to temp to about 120, 125 every time, all the time. Okay, professional cooking, just knowing how to make sure resting times are built into the cooking process is what's gonna get you the best bang for the buck. So that's how we make the perfect duck, and then you'll see me slice it right now. Just wanted to pick it. It's been about 15, 20 minutes now. This will just sit like this until we need it to pretty much go. But look, it's at 120. It's literally mid-rare, and it's just resting. That's it. I didn't fire it. I let it come to temp. So if I can give you one literal note when you're cooking, resting temperatures. So yeah. Did all the steps correctly. This is your end result. You'll be having a perfect duck. Other than that, thanks.